What's up, you guys? Little update today. Yesterday we uploaded a video on how to refurbish door panels for your square body C10 Chevrolet. Right now we're doing a couple dashboards. You may be able to see back here in the background, we've got some foam on one and we've got another one over here on the other side of the shop. Doing some refurbishment on that, so I'll put together a little edit and kind of show you guys how to do that one like we did the door panels. Davey's back here pulling the seats out of that truck that we did the door panels for. So we're getting that pulled apart so we can start getting it cleaned out and dashboard and everything sanded so we can get it jammed, because that truck's actually very nearly ready for paint. We're basically just waiting on paint cups for these SATA guns. I hate that ready mix cup deal on those. If anybody has a good solution to put a metal cup on a SATA 5000B, please put a comment in the thing for me and let me know, because I haven't been able to come up with anything and I really hate the plastic disposable cup systems. So we'll check in with Davey over here and see what he's got going on.
She's ready to come out. One in the front, that's always a booger.
Alright, so we've got some dashboards going on. I'm going to show you guys kind of a step-by-step how to do that like we did in the door panel videos yesterday. We got the seat out of the C10 short wide that we're doing. Stay tuned for the color. Hopefully I haven't let that slip yet. We got a set of wheels delivered to the shop, not necessarily for this truck, but they are for a upcoming build. And I'm not even going to say not for this truck. They may end up on this thing and we'll just see how it goes. So recap on the day. Got the seat out of the truck. We got the interior of it all cleaned out. We welded up some holes in the lower part of the metal area of the dash where somebody, classically screws in some gauges of some sort there. What else? We basically got it all cleaned out and ready to jam completely. We've got some dashboard refurbishment going on in here. Like I said, set of wheels. I'll show you guys the wheels. Put together this edit of these dashboards, throw on some music, and let you guys chill and watch some fast forward videos of us doing stuff today. Peace.
Meaning your inner soul. You got to do this from your heart, meaning your inner soul. You got to do this from your heart, meaning your inner soul. You got to do this from your heart, meaning your inner soul. You got to do this from your heart, meaning your inner soul. You got to do this from your heart, meaning your inner soul. You got to do this from your heart, meaning your inner soul. You got to do this.
We also talked about a deeper bond with the product. Nostalgia. It's delicate, but potent.
Listen, listen, what's up?
Everybody in the world out to make the quickest dime.
And that pretty much wraps it up for us today here. Hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoyed some of the music. We're definitely open to comments and suggestions, and just let us know what you think. And again, bear with me. I'm new at this video editing and vlogging whole kind of stuff. So stick with us. Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let us know what you think. If it sucks, tell us it sucks. If you like it, say right on, or something cool. Have a good night. See you guys.